Hey there, and welcome back to S3 Cloud Hub. Today, I'll show you how to launch an AWS EC2 instance and connect to it manually using EC2 Instance Connect. No SSH required. This method is especially beginner-friendly and secure. Let's dive in. If you don't already have an AWS account, create one. It's free to start. Once you're logged in, follow these steps to launch your first EC2 instance. Go to the EC2 dashboard and click Launch Instances. Click to the Launch Instance. Then type name as test. Then scroll down and select Amazon Linux as it is. Choose an Amazon machine image, AMI. For this demo, I'm selecting Amazon Linux. This is a popular and lightweight choice for servers, and I will set as it is as Amazon Linux 2023 AMI. Then scroll down and select instance type as T3. Micro select T3. Micro for free tier eligibility. Scroll down and set key pair as default. Then go to Network section and select Network Security Group for select existing security group and select default one. Then go to Network section and select Network Security Group for select existing security group and select default one. Then click to the Launch Instance button and wait for it for successfully creating virtual machine on AWS EC2 instance. As you can see here, our virtual machine successfully deploy on the cloud, so click on the link to open running instance lists. Now as you can see here, our running instance test will be shows and it now on running state here, and now I'll click on instance ID to open virtual machine overview page. On the virtual machine overview page, you will see public IP address and more details about the virtual machine. For the instance, I will connect the virtual machine. At the top you will see the connect button, so click on it, and you will be navigated to the connect instance page and you will see the details, but for now I will press connect button. Now as you can see, our instance is successfully connected directly without SSH. And that's how you manually connect to an EC2 instance using EC2 Instance Connect. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more cloud computing tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.